to boogie. Let me know if you're down to boogie.